Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review these Glitzi Globes, which they're glitter globes. They're very cute. It says make it, feel it, and shake it. This is the back of the box. We can see a list of the contents, which are a lot, and the 6 different themes they have. I'm going to show you what's inside this box. Okay guys, and these are the contents of the box. 1 mega glitzy globe and 4 little cases to make 4 little glitzy globes. 3 big ponies and 7 little figurines, which we have a cat, a bunny, a unicorn, a little elephant, a little piggy. It also comes with this package of glitter pallets. It has 2 big and 5 little ones. Some pretty cute shapes. We have musical notes, butterflies, stars, hearts, flower, diamonds, and more. It comes with these 2 poles to mix. And it also comes with the instructions. Now let's make our glitzy globes. Now let's make the 4 little glitzy globes. I hope you guys enjoyed this Glitzi Globes toy review. Please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.